Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got something different to share with you. It's a box filled with books, sweet treats, beauty items, stationery and much more. And it is my book moment. My Book Moment got in touch with me a couple of weeks ago asking if I'd be interested in taking a look on their website to see what I think about this service and to see whether it's something that I would like to feature on my YouTube channel. You can purchase a one-off box for yourself or as a gift. I do think it would make an amazing gift for someone. They come in two different price brackets. There's £10 box and a £20 box. They have kind of gifted me the £20 box and I got to choose the items that go inside the box. So I'll just give you a little bit of a lowdown about this box, tell you a little bit more about it. All links and everything you'll find listed down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. Launched in time for a great British summer of staycations, the Create a Book Moment service from subscription box My Book Moment is the first ever bespoke gifting service focusing on popular fiction, bestsellers and most thrilling crime reads. UK book sales soared during 2020 with book purchasing adding a whopping 100 million to the market. Create a Book Moment offers an escape from the uncertainty and endless headlines. What could be more relaxing than a completely personalised evening in, an experience entirely tailored to your own personal preferences? Start by choosing from an expertly curated capsule collection of brilliant books, from the latest page turners to heartwarming romantic comedies and uplifting wellbeing titles. There's something for all tastes. Then it's time to add in some treats. Chic stationery, indulgent beauty products, delicious chocolates and biscuits, plus artisan coffee, hot chocolate and teas galore. A simple personalised book moment package costs just £10, including shipping, while the £20 Book Moment Plus is comprised of snacks, a hot drink and a choice of beauty or stationery gift, as well as 2 books. As well as these one-off boxes, they do run a subscription service and they start from £12.95. Currently they only ship within the UK, but they do hope to ship out to the UK in the near future. All your choices are on the website, so when you click on your first choice for your book, a huge list of books come up, and if you click on them, they give you extra information about the book. So you choose your first book, then you choose your second book, then you go on to choosing a sweet treat, and there's a big list, again your beauty product, stationery and all that. So there's lots and lots of lists to choose from. So I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. And there's the items, and I'll go through it one by one, showing you what I chose and what I was sent. But I've got to be honest, I've had this box now for a couple of days, and yeah, I've already eaten, well, me and my husband, we've already eaten something that's in this box, but I have kept the packaging to show you what it is. I could not resist. I'm obsessed with stroop waffles. They are gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So yeah, 2 gone. Could not resist it. So there's those, and they've added in a little extra as well for me, maybe to show you some of the other things that you can choose. But this is a scrumptious shorty swirl biscuit. So then I got some hot chocolate, and these are luxury hot chocolates from Thornton's. I've never had any hot chocolate from Thornton before. Cannot wait to taste these. I love hot chocolate, so yeah, and I love Thornton's as well. So there's that. Now the stationery item I chose was this gorgeous notepad. Really lovely. This is the sort of size of notepad I use to keep all my notes for doing YouTube videos. But yeah, I really like that. But as well as that, they also popped this in the box as well. This is a little notepad, a little jotting notepad, and it says, "Be in love with your life every minute of it." So you just rip it off the top there. Now the beauty treat, they've sent me 2 extra products. The first one is the item I chose, and it's a cuticle oil pen. I'm obsessed with cuticle oils, especially pens. I think they are fab. This is by Honey Nail, and this is a cuticle reviver, revitalizer oil, and it's blueberries. Look at that. So it's a cuticle oil pen. I absolutely love these. This is the 3rd one I've got now. I do really like them. I tend to use them at night. I've got them all over the house, in my handbag, in my car, everywhere. Oh, I really suffer badly with my cuticles, and I just find using a pen like this super handy. And yeah, nice to keep in my handbag. So that's what I chose. But they've added in a sheet mask, which is from Vitamasks. This is a citron sheet mask for happy mind and nourished skin. And there's that. And also some really cute hair clips. Aren't they lovely? That's nice. They're too big for me to wear there, but I tend to wear them like behind my ears to keep my hair flat behind my ears here if I got it down, if I got my hair down. But no, I love them. They're really cute. So there's those. Now on to my books. And as well as the books, they've popped in 2 bookmarks. Super handy. And the first book I chose, I cannot wait to read this. This is by Kate Nunn. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The Forgotten Letters of Esther Durant, from the best-selling author of The Botanist's Daughter. I haven't read that book before. In 1951, Esther Durant, a young mother, is committed to an asylum by her husband. Run by a pioneering psychiatrist, the hospital is at first Esther's prison, but can captivity lead to freedom? In 2018, when marine scientist Rachel Parker is forced to take shelter on an isolated island off the Cornish coast during a research posting, she discovers a collection of hidden love letters. Captivated by their passion and tenderness, Rachel is determined to find the intended recipient. Meanwhile, in London, Eve is helping her grandmother write her memoirs. When she is contacted by Rachel, it sets in motion a chain of events that threatens to reveal secrets kept buried for more than 60 years. It sounds so good. I cannot wait to read that. I'm going to Greece in a couple of weeks' time. I can't wait. Can't wait. Only for a couple of days, but yeah, I'm going to bring that one with me. My other book then is The Castaways, and this is by Lucy Clark, and it says, wish you were here, think again. You wake on a beautiful remote island, sparkling blue seas, golden sunsets, barely a footprint in the sand, yet this is no ordinary escape. Next to the wreck of a plane, a stranger paces, another sharpens a knife, scoring a list of the dead onto a palm tree. Others watch from the shadows of a campfire, all with untold stories and closely guarded secrets. This is no ordinary holiday. This is no ordinary island. This is no ordinary beach read. It sounds very much like the TV series Lost. Quite a hefty one, this one. So yeah, so those are all the items. So 2 books, sweet treats, beauty treats, stationery. There's a lot in there, and I'm really grateful to my book moment for sending this out to me. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you subscribe to this subscription, or have you ever bought a one-off box for yourself or for a gift for someone? I'd love to hear what you think of it. Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.